Are you running an e-commerce store and spending endless hours each month trying to plan and create social media content and ads, or waiting for your team or your social media marketing agency only to feel stuck, inconsistent, and frustrated? Imagine this. In just minutes, you can have a full month content calendar, dozens, even 100 plus, ready to post social media posts, ads, captions, ideas, and designs, all tailored to your brand without the usual headache. In this tutorial, I will walk you step by step how to go from no idea what to post to brand feeds full of fresh, engaging content in practically no time using SodaMarketing AI. If you want to follow along with me, you will find the link for SodaMarketing AI in the description. So with that being said, let's get started. So once you're logged into your account at SodaMarketing AI, just click create new ad set. And the first thing we need to do is to create our brand. So we'll simply click create brand. And here we have the option to just copy the URL of our brand and then simply paste it here. Then click import my brand. The brand name, the brand logo, the color identity, the industries, everything. So this is just a sample brand that we are using just to demonstrate this video, of course. So once we are done with this, just click create brand, and then it's time to add the products. We have here also the option to just copy the URL of the product that we would like to import or to add it manually. We will do the easy option to just copy the URL of the product that we would like to create for content for, and simply paste it here, then click import. And that's it. As you can see, SodaMarketing AI just fetch all the product data, including the product images, in just a few seconds. You may make any edits that you think it will make your results better, and then click train product model. Right now, SodaMarketing AI is searching for your product information and train the AI model on it. And now this step has been done. Now let's try to add another product here. As an example, we'll pick this one and simply just copy the URL and click create product and paste the URL, import, and that's it. As you can see, we have all the product information and the product images. Click train product model, and just like this, you can add as many products as you want under your brand. And by this, you are building your asset on SodaMarketing AI, so you can generate unlimited number of content and ads for any product that you have. So now we'll select this product right here and click create ad set. And here we have many options. We have the on-brand designed ads, the static ads, it's mean the static ads, static image ads, and we have also the photo shoots, and we have short videos. Let's start with the photo shoots. Here we can select the size of the photo shoot that we would like to generate. We'll start with the quick option, and it's an amazing one. And we have here 4 options: the quick, the prompting, the reimagine, and the advanced. Right now, SodaMarketing AI has already generated dozens of ideas that I can generate ads and posts for this particular product in which I can choose from. I can even click on generate more, and I can get even more ideas and more ideas. Just like that, it's very simple, no need to even think about it. Alright, this seems to be a very nice idea. Let's try some of those. Let's try this one and click generate. While it's generating, let's try to create another one. I like this one. Let's click generate. And here we have the first photo shoot generated already. And here we just got the second photo shoot generated. Wow, I like it very much. So as you can see, I didn't even come up with these ideas. SodaMarketing AI brought the ideas, and it understands everything about my brand and my goal and my product. That's very, very amazing. Let's generate some static ads for this product. So here we have the content tone. I will keep it on friendly. And here we have the language. We have many languages supported. I will keep it here on English. And here we can write whatever we would like to promote within this post. For example, let's promote at 20% off for the Black Friday offer. And here it's an optional. If you have any idea that you would like to create, you can just type the idea here, or type a full prompt if you have some, or you can simply click generate and let SodaMarketing AI come up with a perfect idea for your post. And here we go. We just got some amazing posts for our product with multiple variations. I like this one a lot. We have the offer here placed the 20% off, everything, the call to action, and some content right here. Everything we may think about is already available right here. Now let's try to create some video reels. I would simply click on the video icon on any photo shoot that I have generated, and I will just keep the default concept here, which is just I'm telling SodaMarketing AI to create an ad for the product, and that's it. And simply select the video duration and click generate. While it's generating, let's also generate another video reel using the same exact steps. Click generate, and here we go. We just got an amazing video.
Embrace the season in comfort that moves with you. The new essential sweatsuit, designed for living.
Wow, that's an amazing one. And here we go. We just got the second video reel for our product. Let's check it out.
Move through the city with freedom. Discover the new athletic collection today.
So there you have it. In just a few minutes, you saw how to turn chaos into clarity and how to create an entire month of social media content without wasting time or burning money. No more waiting on designers, no more starting at a blank page. Just ideas, visuals, and content that actually move your brand forward. Not only this, if you want to have this done for you plus full ad management and ad creative creations, check out the enterprise plan at SodaMarketing AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no fluff tutorials and AI marketing strategies every single week. And if you are ready to start creating your own branded content in minutes, click the link in the description and try SodaMarketing AI today. This was Yasser Salim. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.